Introducing DARPA's Sprint Program, a revolutionary initiative pushing the boundaries of aviation technology. DARPA, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, is known for its groundbreaking innovations, and the Sprint Program is no exception. The Sprint Program aims to develop an unscrewed VTOL X-plane capable of achieving impressive speeds between 400 and 450 knots. This cutting-edge project is designed to enhance both speed and agility in vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. 4 leading companies are spearheading this innovative effort. These industry giants bring their unique expertise to the table, collaborating to create a next-generation aircraft that could redefine the future of flight. Imagine the possibilities: rapid deployment, enhanced mobility, and advanced tactical capabilities. The potential applications for this technology are vast and transformative, from military operations to disaster response. Stay tuned as DARPA's Sprint Program continues to break new ground and propel us into the future of aviation.